What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We finally got the tires for the TSX. They are right here. You guys know I used to run Falken Zennies all the time on my my hatch and my TSX. Same with this car. These are actually from my hatch back then. The Falken Zennies was the RT615K pluses. These are really nice because the sidewall is super flat and it looks good on any wheel. It has a really thick sidewall. Same with these. These are 245/40 RT660s. These are their new 200 treadwear tires from Falken, and I used to run Falkens all the time, and then some issues happened. That's whatever, but we are actually back with we are back with being sponsored by Falkens, and let's get these mounted. The first thing I need to do is get these removed off the car. These are 245/40s, but you can see they're like slightly stretched off of the 9s. It looks super good, but I don't want to be that low and stretched or like slightly stretched. So we're gonna do the Falken Zenny RT660s because these 100% are gonna look super good on the car. They're gonna look super beefy and they're gonna have a really nice sidewall. Now I normally take my car to get the tires dismounted at my friend's house, but this time is different because since I put those new tires on, I had to lower the car and add more camber and adjust all the camera stuff. So I know for a fact if I put these tires on and put the car on the ground, it's not gonna move. And you can tell because this side is, well, the drive is angled, but this side's tucking. And if I put these on 100%, I'm gonna buckle my fender. So I'm gonna jack up the car, leave it at jack stands, take the wheels and tires to a shop, have them dismount it, remount the new Zennies, and then we're gonna dial in all the fitment again on the TSX. And I do kind of miss the MEATY fitment. I drove all day up to OC. It feels really good, but my shock towers or my camera kits are hitting the shock towers right now just because of how much lower it is, but it's not as bad. All right, we are back from the tire shop. I just realized when I first filmed that beginning intro, I just like woke up, so I wasn't really there, but we are back from the tire shop. I got the new tires mounted onto the T37s. Super beefy. I really miss that beefy look. And yeah, these are the Falken Zennies RT660s. A lot of new track dudes have been running these tires. Supposedly these last longer than the 615K pluses, but I mainly want that sidewall, and it's actually a really good looking tire. So huge shout outs to Chris over at Falken. Thank you for the sponsorship and glad to be back with you guys. If you guys don't know, I was with Falken a couple years ago, and now we're back, boys. So what we're gonna do is get this fitted on the car, and what's that gonna entail to is me raising up the car, messing with all the camber, and then gotta bring it to the alignment shop. But I normally, whenever I bring my car to the alignment shop, I never have them touch the camber. I just have them do the toe because I know how to perfectly set the camber on the car, and I don't want them to mess with that, just the toe. That's the only thing I'm not good at. I tried doing string alignment back then, and I mean, I've done it here and there, but I just don't trust myself on that. But this is literally the only time the car sees the shop is mounting tires and alignment. But everything else is all done here. And yep, these are for sale too. These are the 245/40 Celeris. But these look so good. It's crazy, you guys don't know, but SLs are actually discontinued. They've been discontinued for a couple months now. It was first the OGs. I bought these brand new. These are like my first brand new set. It was in a while like I've actually bought. So I bought these brand new. These are Blast Bronze T37 SLs, 7922. And then we're running the RT660s by Falken, the Zennies, and then 245/40s. But the sidewall profile, look at that. So good. So what we're gonna do now is I'm not gonna record me doing all the fitment because it's actually gonna take me, it won't take me long, but it will take some time. But I'm gonna adjust to the point where I'm gonna do like a track fitment. So I'm not gonna be as slammed as before. I wanna make it more functional, and then we have more parts coming for the car that will make it suit better. So stay tuned. But I'll get back to you guys after I finish doing all the fitment, and then I have to head up to Oceanside to pick up a part for the TSX. So let's get these mounted. I raised the car up half an inch everywhere, and I haven't tweaked with the camera, but there's no way I'm gonna drive the car like this, but this thing looks so sick like this. Look at that. There's no way I could turn though, at all. And then the rears, of course, needs a lot of work, but car take me probably 5 minutes inside. Tires sticking out, and then this driveway is slanted, so look at that. Flush. But yeah, and then this side is all like the driveway's crooked, so we're slanted. But what I'm gonna do now is back the car out and then do it on the driveway just because it's more flat, and then I could get all of the camera and everything all lined up properly, because right now it is not moving anywhere. So let's work on that real quick. What's up, guys? So it has been like, I think 3 days since I filmed that video. I've just been busy, and then also after I adjusted the fitment, I decided to get the alignment all fixed. So I did get the car aligned with the new tires, and I am actually extremely happy with how the car came out. These tires, the Falken RT660s, look amazing. The sidewalls are perfect, and then I also did tell myself to raise the car up and won't have it as low as how I had on the other the Kumos and then the Celeras. But now on these Falkens, I decided to go with the track look, and I did kind of ended up buying more stuff for the car, but this is what the car looks like with the RT660s. And let me try to turn this around. So that is the fitment right now. Same at the rear, same height all around, and I did end up going with a, like I said, a track spec fitment. I love how it came out though, like holy crap. And I've been driving this thing around, and I must say these tires are really sticky. It does kind of make me feel like, or it does kind of push me wanting to go to the track. This is like the best setup I've ever had in the car, and the car feels really good. Like, if you guys don't know, I have a lot of suspension stuff done to this car, and now with this whole setup, I raised up the car, adjusted everything, the camber, and now the car, it just wants to be at the track. It functions really, really well. I'm just saying this, I don't know if I'll go to the track with this car, but just like how the car drives right now, it feels so good. I'm not sure if it's just the tires, but I think it just everything overall comes in effect. I did pick up a new lip splitter. So if you guys don't know, there's this guy out in, I think Russia or Ukraine, that sells these lip splitters that go underneath the Euro R front lip. I had one before, but it got completely demolished on the old setup, or not the old setup, the second old setup. And then luckily my friend locally was selling one of these, and I didn't want to buy one anymore because of shipping now is super expensive from overseas and how much they go for now. So I got this from him for cheap and decided to throw it on. I did give it some paint just because I don't like the ABS plastic like raw finish. It's super shiny. But check this out though. Look at how meaty this thing looks. So these are the RT660s. I put tire shine on, but I need to redo it. It kind of like, I think the sun kind of like dried them out, but they are 200 treadwear tires. But what I've heard is that these last longer than the other Zenny's RT615K pluses, which actually has like the same sidewall profile, but these look so good. Look at that. Oh, this angle right here. Whew. Love it. Oh, makes this single exit look so much better too. But yeah, that's this is the new setup. 245/40 RT660s on some 79 T37s, and of course we got the CLS Brembos with the wrench mob 2-piece rotors and the mirrors. I ordered some custom base plates from my friend, and I have mirrors coming. So when that comes, we're gonna take off this OEM mirror. This is literally just as of now because I sold the Ghana doors off the car and I don't have them anymore. We're trying to go back with the more aggressive look, I guess. but or a more functional like track look on the car. I think I might throw a wing back on it. I don't know yet. Dude, this trunk has seen so many wings, and I can show you right here. I have it covered up, but this had the Mugen duckbill. It had the Mugen high rise. It had the Voltex Type 1S wing. If you guys remember that wing, dude, I kind of regret selling it. I got for such a good deal on it, but you know, I made money off of it, so it's whatever. You know, if anyone wants to buy anything out the car, just shoot offers. That's how it all works for me. I go through parts a lot, if you guys know, but there's some things I need to redo on the car. I want to get some new headlights. I might just do the CL9 ones, like the ones that have on my white TSX, where these are actually blue, and it gets rid of the amber right here. We might be doing a full color change on the car. I don't know when, but we're going to do a full color change whenever the time comes. I need to fix that side skirt because something hit it and it like chipped the vinyl wrap right here. And I need a new passenger side skirt just because there's like a little indent on it. But yeah, that is what the new setup is. Does it rub? Full lock U-turns, everything. That thing looks so good, especially with that new lip splitter. Without it, the car, or without that splitter, the car looked kind of high, but I think now it's definitely a lot higher than my old setup, but it doesn't scrape, which is nice. This isn't in the best condition. My friend had it for like 2 days, and his car is like slammed on 18, so he like scuffed it up, but it's fine. Looks perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do now is play the waiting game. I don't know when I'm gonna touch the Grom yet, the red one that I picked up from my friend John. Still waiting on insurance for that, but for the most part the next couple of videos will still be about this car. And then the EK, I have some stuff on the way shortly, I think, from Hybrid. We're gonna revise the whole engine bay on the EK sedan. I want the K swap, so we're working on that soon. But in the meantime, I've actually been wrenching on this car, and I generally do miss like just messing, tinkering with the car. And dude, I'm just super happy with how it looks. Besides the mirrors, you know. Color change? I have a company, my friend hit me up, Eddie, hit me up for if I need wrap, if I want to do color change on the car, he will send some my way. So I don't know what color yet, and it's getting windy now, so I'm not sure if the mic's picking it up, but that's it for this video. So peace to guys, amongst others, and I'm glad to be part of the Falken team once again. Thank you guys. Thank you Chris over at Falken for getting me back on roll with you guys, and I'm glad to be part of it. Oh, and I got, let's see, but yeah, huge shout outs to you guys for Falken. So you're supposed to go like that. I have them with me, but it's so funny. All right guys, so peace to guys. Others, just keep building and stay tuned. I need to get this car washed. This thing's so dirty, and I need to get all this tire booger out of here for when they mount the wheels. I need to do also my rear brakes on this car. But peace out guys. I don't know how many times I have to end this, but that's it. Deuces.